Hi guys, welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today I'm doing a video. I have my first box of Thrive Market. Never ordered from them. This is not a sponsored video. I just have been wanting to order from them probably for several years now, and I never have done it. Well, then I finally did the subscription and signed up for it and placed my first order. So this is my box. I didn't order a whole lot. Well, I can't remember. I may have ordered a whole lot, but I don't think so. I know I ordered a bunch of seasonings. So if you're interested in seeing what I got in my first order, then stick around and stay tuned. I haven't done this in a long time, so getting my bearings back together from a little unboxing. Because I ain't done it since I did Misfits, and I don't get them no more. 100% recyclable box material. Packed with purpose by, I don't know what that said. It like say Donna or somebody. We're on a mission to make healthy living easy and affordable for everyone. And this one say every new annual membership sponsors a free year of membership for a family in need. Alright, let's see what I got in here. I know I got a free gift. It's crooked because this is my first time ordering. Oh, these packets are small. I thought they would be big. So I got some herbs to province. I have my little herb tray, my little roundabout over there, and some of my things are empty, so I bought some stuff to fill them up. So that's what these are for. That's why I got a bunch of herbs that I'm not growing. Well, I didn't grow in my garden. So herb de Provence. I got some yellow mustard seed powder. I like to use this in a bunch of stuff, especially like if I'm frying something. I like to mix this in my flour. So have that. Have some Italian seasoning. This is one of the ones that's empty over there. And smoked paprika. I use a lot of smoked paprika in my cooking, and like if I'm making sauces and stuff, I'm trying to make something taste like bacon flavored, I use this. So I got 2 of those. This is my free item. So I didn't order this. It's Healthy Living Made Easy, 60 plus recipes for every lifestyle. Oh, it's a cookbook. That's nice. Got everything in here. It's not a vegan cookbook, and I'm not vegan. I keep telling y'all that. I fell off. I fell way off, but I'm getting ready to fall back on for the new year. Anyway, it has a lot of good recipes, so if I cook something out of here, I'll share it with you guys and let you guys see it, because I'm going to start back making more videos. Oh, keto pumpkin spice donuts. Definitely might try those since I'm diabetic and don't need no sugar. Yeah, might try those. Anywho, got that. I got some organic ginger cubes. I was buying these from Costco, and the Costco one is gigantic. It took me forever to eat them. I felt like they went stale, so I ordered some from them. What's in it? Ginger and then organic sugarcane, which is the same as what's in the Costco ones, but I hope these don't have a whole lot of sugar on them. But we'll see when I open them up. I bought some vanilla coconut sugar. And it's just regular coconut sugar that's vanilla infused for this, used for my baking. Someone put something on my video and said that they use coconut sugar mixed with the, I think the monk fruit, when they're cooking stuff to, because I think they said they were diabetic as well, and it's not as bad and mix the two together, because this coconut sugar is not as sweet as regular sugar, but it's sweet, but not as sweet. So mix the two together and it tastes pretty good. So I'm going to try it and see what it tastes like. These are my all-time favorite. I've been eating almond flour crackers, and I get them from Costco, but Costco just has the plain ones. But I got a box of these from, I think it was Sprouts. This rosemary and sea salt. Oh my God, I wish Costco started selling the large box. Because if you guys have not tried these, they are freaking amazing. The carbs in them are high. Like 18 grams for, it's 2 grams of fiber. So I guess it's a net 17 carbs for how many crackers? 17 crackers, which isn't that bad because I usually don't eat 17 at a time. But my carb intake per meal is, I think it's 25 grams per meal. I think, I forget. I have to look that up. But anywho, it's less carbs than regular crackers, and they're gluten-free, and they're freaking delicious. So if you're gluten-free or you just want to try some crackers, these are good. If you like if you're a Costco person like me and you like the rosemary and Parmesan bread from Costco, which is so delicious, these things taste as good as those do. And I got 2 boxes because, like I said, I'm addicted to them. And I put them in a mason jar to keep them fresh. And I just snack on them. And then, I never tried these, but they said rosemary, garlic and rosemary. And those are just rosemary by themselves. And I love garlic. So I got these to try. They look thicker than those. So I see how these are. I'll let you guys know. If anybody has had these before and tried them, just comment below and let me know if you like them or not. I like some of the Mary brand stuff and some of the stuff I don't. So I just wanted to try it since I got I think for my first one, I think I got like $30 off or $20 off. So I just ordered some stuff. Got that. And then I got some gluten-free noodles. These are the farfalle. I always call it farfalle, but I think it's pronounced farfalle noodles. And I like these. And I'm just trying to do away with a lot of flour. So I got these. I was buying what are they called? The chickpea noodles. Made out of the chickpeas, which I think are better for you as far as carbs. But these got a lot of carbs. They are 42 grams of carbs. And I don't know how much the other ones are. The chickpea ones. But anyway, I'm going to try these and see. I'm trying to do away with a lot of pastas and breads, but I still eat some in moderation. I'm gonna have one cheat day as far as carbs is concerned, so that I don't deprive myself and just eat it in moderation. I got these organic fruit circles. These are mango tango from, what was that? Misfits. They had some tango. They was like tango jerkies. They were absolutely delicious. Now these have a lot of carbs in them as well, but these are mango puree and nothing else is in them. They got organic pectin, I'm sorry, to hold them together, but they're just the vegetable itself. So I can have fruit. I'm just supposed to have it for breakfast. So I got these just so like in the morning if I want to eat this or what have you. 50 calories, but how many carbs? 11 carbs for how many? 1 pouch. And how many pouches are in here? 10 little pouches. They're probably small because it's a small box, but not too bad. I can have this as fruit, like I can eat an egg and this in the morning. So I'm just trying to figure out, things that I can eat and try to get my A1C down. So I got that. This is almond butter. I don't know if I ordered this. I think this was another one of the free items, but I may have ordered it, but I doubt it because I got 2 big gigantic ones from Costco. So let's see what this has in it, because I like the ones that don't have no salt. Ingredients: dry roasted almonds. Yep, this doesn't have any salt in it, so that is good. I put these in my smoothies when I make it, so I have that. And this has to be a free item. Maybe I'll order that Oh yeah, I think this ghee may have been a free item. I don't know. I like ghee. Although I'm trying to go dairy free. Because I'm going back to being vegan. Or trying more plant-based diet. I don't want to say vegan. Plant-based diet. But that'll take some time because I've been eating meat for a while now. And I just need to get back to that. But yeah. This is clarified butter. Anybody ever used this, you know this is like gold. So, and I had just bought one, I think, from Costco. So now I have two. But I think this was the free one instead of that. And it may have been both of them that were free in the cookbook. Because I think it was a few things. So it might have been those two things free. And I think that is it. What's in my box. Yep, nothing else. And like I said, everything's 100% recyclable except for this. Because I know this ain't recyclable. But yeah, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully I will start making more videos where I'm on camera now. I had to edit all the videos I have made for the past, I don't know, however long I've been gone for YouTube, and loaded them first. And then now I'm starting to make videos. So yeah, you guys have a wonderful holiday. And thanks for stopping by my channel. And I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye-bye.